make sure this is not heating.
You don't need it.
No, if it's hitting my belly, I might need to go to the toilet. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, it's off,
So,
okay? But it's a little
thank you.
bit, just
If it's a bit, it's fine.
a tiny bit,
Thank you.
because we need a tiny bit in car.
I do have my sunglasses with me.
That's good.
I think I need to put them on.
Yeah, then we're gonna park somewhere in a safe place, not here.
That's better.
Yes, because it's the light this way. You can't even see sometime on the road. Next traffic lights, go ahead, please. And then we slow down and we're gonna pull up to the left anywhere where it's safe, convenient, and legal.
Thank you.
Just look for a safe space. Here on the left anywhere. Here. We go a little bit space before the yellow line. Only one car space.
Let me. I'm allowed to
Yeah, reverse.
reverse?
Yes.
Thank
We
you.
don't want to stop on double yellow. Okay, just park here, it's
Yeah.
fine. One of other issue I can see in your driving is dry steering.
Oh,
That
Why?
means you give like full lock, but you don't move the car. That's why you're steering really, really harshly. So if you
What do
steer
you mean?
gently, like
do
you give like full lock, your foot is on brake, full lock and car is not moving. That's dry steering. That's why like you struggling with the parking, you struggling with the moving off because you dry steer a lot. Dry steering mean your foot is on brake and you're not moving your car while you're giving full lock on the left or on the right. This
You're
is
supposed
happening.
to?
This happening in your driving. Dry steering. If you dry steer on your test day 3 times, they'll give you minor faults, and then the serious, those 3 minor faults become serious fault then.
Okay.
So dry steering also damage your car wheels. Now, for example, now I said pull up to the left, so you press the brake fully, and you just steering, giving full lock on the left, on the right, but you're not moving your car. So whenever you giving lock, steering lock, with that lock you need to move as well, but you still, your foot is down, fully brake, and you steering to the left, to the right for no reason, and this is dry steering. Avoid this dry steering whenever you're driving. As soon you touch this, so come off from your brake and nice and slow, come to the left, you will feel the smoothness in your driving. But dry steering is not good, a really bad like habit. If you do this on your test day for 3-4 times, they'll keep giving you one minor fault, and after that they're gonna give you that 3-4 small mistake become serious fault and you fail your test. So on a normal driving, like if you pass your driving test with this problem, if you buy a new car, that gonna damage your wheel. Even if you got an old car as well, then you every day you go to the tire places and change your tires. So avoid this. As soon you giving lock, foot off brake, but not fully, little bit, and then fully steer to the left, steer to the right. You will feel the smoothness, and we're gonna practice this again, okay? And this issue comes in control of the car. Okay, whenever you're ready, we're gonna move off from here and then we go ahead. Which way are we looking? Yeah.
I looked all of them, but from the right I'm not gonna expect cars. Left, maybe bicycles or pedestrians.
Good. Your observation is fine. Now you're looking. Your observation is changing, which is good. The traffic lights, we are going ahead.
20.
So from here we're gonna go ahead, then end of that road there are traffic lights, then we're turning left.
These traffic lights.
Next one, end of this road. For this we're gonna go ahead.
For this is gonna.
This is crossing, it's not light, this one.
Ah.
That's the traffic light behind you. Next, this is a crossing, and after this crossing, next traffic lights we are turning left.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because these are crossing lights, not traffic lights. Here, these traffic lights we are turning left, please. After this crossing, next traffic lights, we are turning right, please. Can you see those lights?
Yeah.
There, we're gonna turn right. Slowly, in very slow speed, and then we turn because they are stopping. Good. Why did you panic in the middle?
I know that I was okay
Mm-hmm.
because I had already moved from it was orange when I moved.
Yeah, amber
But-
light, yeah?
Yeah, but amber. But because it turned red, the one ahead of me, in my mind I was like, oh no, I'm getting into a red light. But in theory I know I was okay.
Yeah.
It's always that the panic kicks in first, you know. But
Yeah.
I know I was okay.
What about amber light? If you see before line, can we stop?
Yes, if it's safe I can
But
stop.
if you cross the line, can we go?
Yes, we can go.
Okay, that's fine. So don't panic and just relax. If you after the line, you are okay because you crossed the line already. So we need to clear the junction, or we need to stay in the junction then?
Clear, so the
Good.
traffic light, the traffic can keep moving. Otherwise I'm blocking it.